Hi, I'm Ruth DeHoyes and I'm with Expert Village to show you how to do your wonderful bridal bouquet and a corsage for the perfect wedding. Okay, we're going to make like a little bow and you just pinch it underneath your thumb and your pointing finger. And you get this other side and you make a little loop over that, and then you just pinch it. You don't have to have much. Then you do it again, another loop to come back up. That's all I'm going to do. This is the back side of the bow. This is not your bow. Then you take your scissors and you cut. Put another little tuck and you cut again. And you take your thin wire. Again, I specify thin wire because the thick wire, it just doesn't work. It gets too fat and then you can't use a corsage pin. This is your little tuck. You're going to take your little tuck and put it in the back of your corsage like so, and that makes it look just perfect. Tape it